Students, now we would like to discuss different qualities of HR manager. As you all know, there are a lot of decisions in the hand of HR people like selection, recruitment criteria, and promotions, transfers, their salary hike, their performance appraisals, and their layoffs. So, therefore, HR manager must be honest, fair in the decision making. He must be firm, rigid kind of person. He must be fair in their decision making. And another thing is HR manager need to interact with number of employees, especially union leaders. A wrong kind of communication may lead to strike or any kind of lockouts, we can say. So therefore, HR manager must be tactful and resourceful person. We are not saying that he must be a kind of clever person, but he must be very much tactful in his communication skills. Another thing is sympathy and consideration. There are so many times employees are in some kind of or problem. It may be due to organization or it may be due to their personal life or their societal life. HR manager must have a consideration for their problems, also sympathetic view कि वो employees की सुने what are the different demands of the employees regarding organization and their personal life. Another quality of HR manager is he must be aware about labor related different kind of terms. Let me clear here one thing कि as such for the HR manager no specific academic qualification is required. Yes, nowadays companies prefer a person with MBA HR or having diploma from the NIPM National Institute of Personnel Management or kind of other HR degree, but to the specific knowledge is must rather than the any kind of degree. As a HR manager, knowledge of labor law and constitution is must. He must be aware about government policy, legal provisions regarding the labor. They must these things must be there. Another point is he must have a broad social outlook. He must consider employee and his family and other surroundings also part of organization. He must contribute for the betterment of the society or employee's life. Other we can say कि competently perform different activities of HR. It may be training or it may be appraisal programs. He must be competent to perform these activities. And the another thing is he must have a long-term perspective with the employees and with the organizations. So these are few qualities of HR manager. Thank you.